If you're upgrading your kitchen, replacing a broken washer, or simply decluttering your garage, you'll eventually face a common challenge: how to get rid of your old appliances. Whether it's a bulky refrigerator or a broken-down dryer, removing large, heavy items isn't as simple as hauling them to the curb. Especially in a city like Austin, where proper disposal and eco-friendly practices matter. That's where a professional appliance removal company comes in. But with so many options available, how do you know which service is right for your needs? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you choose the best appliance removal company in Austin, so you can get the job done safely, responsibly, and affordably. Look for proper licensing and insurance. First and foremost, make sure the company you're considering is fully licensed and insured. This protects you in case of property damage or injury during the removal process. Ask questions like: are your employees covered by liability insurance? Do you have proper licensing to operate in Austin? Are you compliant with local waste management and recycling regulations? Hiring a reputable, insured company gives you peace of mind and ensures your old appliances are handled by professionals. Prioritize eco-friendly disposal. Austin is known for its commitment to sustainability, so it's important to work with an appliance removal company that shares those values. The best companies will offer eco-conscious disposal methods, such as recycling old appliances, donating working items to local charities, properly disposing of hazardous components, like refrigerants and e-waste. Ask if they partner with recycling centers or charities in Austin to ensure your appliances are handled responsibly and legally. Check for full-service convenience. A great appliance removal service should do more than just haul your items away. They should make the entire process simple and stress-free. Look for companies that offer in-home pickup, even for hard-to-reach locations, like basements or tight hallways. Same-day or next-day service for urgent jobs. Disconnection of appliances, such as washers or dishwashers. You want a team that shows up on time, works efficiently, and cleans up after the job is done. Compare pricing and transparency. While cost shouldn't be the only factor, it's important to understand how much you're paying and what's included in the price. Some companies offer flat-rate pricing, while others charge based on time, weight, or volume. Be sure to get a written quote or estimate up front. Ask about extra fees for stairs, heavy lifting, or multiple items. Look for no-obligation estimates to avoid hidden costs. A reputable Austin appliance removal company will be upfront and transparent about pricing, no surprises or upsells. Read local reviews and testimonials. Word of mouth matters, especially in a city like Austin with a strong sense of community. Spend a few minutes reading Google reviews, Yelp ratings, or customer testimonials to gauge a company's reputation. Look for signs of prompt and professional service, friendly and courteous staff, reliable communication and scheduling. Bonus tip: Check if the company has worked with local apartment complexes, HOAs, or businesses, which is a good sign of trustworthiness. Confirm what items they accept. Not all appliance removal companies handle the same types of items. Before you schedule service, confirm they can remove and dispose of refrigerators and freezers, washing machines and dryers, dishwashers and ovens, microwaves, water heaters, and HVAC units. Some companies even handle commercial appliances, which is a plus if you're upgrading a business or rental property. Final thoughts. Make appliance removal easy and hassle-free. Choosing the right appliance removal company in Austin doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on credentials, eco-friendly practices, clear pricing, and strong customer service, you'll find a team that can safely and responsibly handle your old appliances, without the stress. Whether you're cleaning out the garage or preparing for a major home upgrade, working with a trusted local service ensures the job gets done quickly, cleanly, and sustainably.